DJ Tunde. And they give you a hand anywhere where you did so. Say waiting as you did so. God will bless you. They go your hand will scratch more and more.
Because because he plays some way you like. Now why they bless him?
I am not ashamed to show you off. It depends on the wife where you marry.
Thank you.
Don't marry those kind. They are fearfully made.
You'll be ashamed.
You know, say if your wife find way, would introduce her with pride. Hello, come on, my wife. Have you seen my wife? Come on, Matthew, come on, meet my wife. But if she were you'd explain her. Okay, she the woman with born my children.
Don't mind Shakara. He's speaking to those with the fine people. So to all the ladies, in the voice of Kiss Daniel, which is my name actually, I just want to let you all know, I love you. But you have to be beautiful. I love fine people.
I beg, we don't show again. I know every time we enter here, so now it's going to give all their church and things. I don't know which one when they say I love you, but you have to be beautiful.
I love
not get you beauty, you ugly.
You're
not the inside.
No, everybody is beautiful. Everybody is
beautiful. Welcome to Bubba C and Jari. This is still the show that sends you every original things that will concern babies and bubbles them. Now Bubba C and babies on top of Zobia TV. And you know, say we don't the same relationships since 2014. And today, save another specific day because we still get one of our guys. We don't arrest and call this bar before. And we come arrest and come again to
the guy like alcohol because
the guy don't like alcohol. We just the office the guy they call us the colors
it's true because if you see the way he take a page.
He talk say Ugo, he say no, so don't be the alcohol. Say he won't just follow Puma to our topic. But I know say that the alcohol I carry and come. Yeah, because this guy does not move unless there is smell of alcohol.
Okay, for the worried people, it's a privilege to have one of your finest. You don't find now.
No, you mean, excuse me. You mean finest? When you say finest, that means for what thing they do?
No, finest. Because I'm not about fine. You understand? So now be the fine what they talk.
Don't I know they mistake when they say your finest comedian. Finest no mean say na for face.
We know. I don't give us that lecture. We know. Ladies and gentlemen.
So correct is this thing.
No, this one fine for everywhere.
Yeah?
Fine for face, fine for talent.
It's fine for enhance.
Yes, and
all around.
Area. All the way from Warri migrate, come Lagos.
You don't migrate?
Yeah, so.
Full time?
Full time, but if they call for job for Warri, they sneak enter. I go laugh to see the building.
Yes.
What's up, my nigga? What's up? We don't bust up.
If like say you don't go America, that's where they say, man. You even wear singlets.
Hey. You get play the rich. No, he no say all it takes for her to two. Don't they dear. You know the Gbogbo African market feature.
Excuse me. This our buy. You know say code they well. Before you leave here, code go enter this your body.
Forget. I stay abroad master myself. Area. Worry. Anywhere we enter with the disturb. So day I go top people.
I beg you, matter what we talk about today when I don't see my men them inside bar here, Shakara Day, Showman Day, as usual with the here. Come talk their church and thing. We concern babes and bubbles them. Now, make we enter the heavy matter of today. I beg, it is very, very simple. It is okay, make you keep your ex picture, phone number, or anything will concern your ex on top your phone if you don't enter another relationship. Now, Showman now they date before. Now, Showman break up with the babe. He can't get another relationship. But he still gets the ex-girlfriend number, pictures, text messages, everything inside the phone. Is it okay?
So at last, you still use Showman as example for something.
They just in a wrong example.
Because you are never useful for
any example.
They're not use two positive example
no.
or negative example.
No, you can use it for
your
positive.
own mouth. Even waiting, if you say we get one talk with the date like Showman, how you enter? Hey. You want to say you get one some guy with the date.
You
like
say handsome guy, yes. Role model to a lot of people.
Can you roll? Role model.
I beg really, now the matter. One more talk about today, please. Come, I go laugh. You know, I know say you don't do plenty relationship, you don't break up, you don't date, you don't do plenty. The matter be this. Now, or one youth leader. Youth leader,
During the election, all the boys were in a youth leader.
Are you kidding me?
As the German, any politician say, also, you go. Now maybe the youth leader.
So this one are youth leader for waiting. Ashawo
I
matters.
tire.
Eh? Okay,
Abula,
explain to us. We want to really.
You go keep, it go good. Then you go allow your girlfriend keeping ex-boyfriend picture, numbers, you know, anything we concern your ex-boyfriend for your phone.
For his iPhone.
Your phone.
Say girl we say you don't fall out with before. Where you don't like.
If now you as man, get where you don't fall out with before.
Get where you don't keep before.
You not deal with her again.
You can't
keep all in plenty things for your phone, picture, or number, or everything. But
you they keep
another baby again.
go down.
Oh, sorry.
Why did they explain
Listen.
pidgin? Why did they explain pidgin to
Listen
us?
now. You know say look.
Let me say English. They go demonstrate English.
You know why
They
they talk.
explain to you like this.
Listen. You know why they listen carefully. They think they affect Shakara as I talk to you.
I know.
Yes, because
You call your talk any
no,
other.
no, listen.
I leave a mate talk.
Me and you they work.
I don't know. My brother. Go ahead. No worry, I will drop you. I will drop you. No worry.
Okay.
Talk ahead.
Listen. It depends on knocking. Knocking, not just say you carry knock. Once you knock, guess more than listen. Best way they break out steady. If they keep like three of Shakara girlfriends, the ex pictures, the day side, confirm.
Inside the phone.
Why? Because it gets some kind of ex, some sabi walk, some sabi cook, some sabi raise the, you know, say, go down.
Sorry.
You know, say normal level. Sorry, oh.
No, go ahead.
You know, say that normal, Urobo, they call them okoro. This normal weapon with the. Then you get away the black bag of Smith. You know, say they raise them up. That line way run into anus. If they pluck. You get away the pluck Shakara.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Wait.
You can't make it talk.
Go ahead.
To say bread, they have a shoe bread for my mouth. It came over me say, it came one night. That's 1993. Shakara.
Before you say 94, I don't know. Because anything
Excuse me,
our ex-governor for Warri Udwan, Shakara Senior.
Hey!
We they call Shakara hold Agwagwa. Urobo,
You don't sleep outside today.
wait.
Yeah.
If I go sleep outside, I talk. Listen, to keep X, now the one call. I know they rig my room. Now know me say.
So.
That year when I come for now, it get one time when I spy through hole. Now Shakara corrupt me.
93.
Me and Anna H. Shakara
93.
H from monkey. You know they climb.
93.
Now you just see the break carry for ground. Shakara na old man no.
I know now.
You know they see the talking we do for you. You know they see am. Worry.
So wait, you mean say?
Wait.
You know why? Wait.
No,
They block me not this one.
No, you know say right now. You look like say you not supposed to even talk today.
No,
you know why?
I don't blame man. Now my phone, if I want that person, I go to that person. Who I want to come program different. I swear to God. You don't have to call these idiots come here.
No, you know why? Let me tell you. Most times,
No,
when God is lead person, you are being led.
are being led.
I'm saying something about you. Very soon this year, if I be a man of God, you go get married. All this your ex go help
Come on,
you.
dear. You never prophesy for marriage. No, they hungry you. They escort person. They escort person go fast food. Tell her bye bye.
Shakara. Not be say marriage not the hungry am, but the only thing where this guy get, marriage the hungry am, but not the only friend when I know.
You never get property.
Listen, and not the only friend when I know say he never marry, but you don't go do
Introduction.
which introduction?
Send forth.
We send for come down. He don't go do man talk. When I know,
You know,
this-
go for
wait now.
break now.
Wait, talk. Never talk.
Go break.
Talk.
You know why? No, go break. Now Shakara go do the work.
Man, hear you talking.
You know I even support
No,
you.
now you know why I agree with you, Shakara. No, I agree. Say this guy. Now the wrong person you bring up.
But
Now
what
I
you
agree.
do now?
No, because before I won't believe say Shakara.
Wetin be that thing?
That means that
Wey
like
showman go do.
go for this break.
Purpose if you dey talk, not dey use my face now.
No vex.
Wait, you want block my ear? Well, cool down. Bubbles, you also dey.
So you don't call this banner, call
Don't feel everybody.
You try.
Wait, Bubbles.
Talk that thing.
Make I talk am abi. Na him be the only man wey be say I know say him marriage dey hungry am o. He ready to marry o, but the woman wey be say he wan settle down with, he don try.
Yeah,
Do
they cut, I swear.
how do they call that? If you bury person grandmama, how do what be the anniversary? You don't bury about how many still. The girl see the condition. What be how do they call that time? Remembrance. I make her dey wear all those big shift cap and all those girls wey dey wear bead for
your matter dey come.
all those girls wey dey wear bead. You know say
Now they think so.
I
I think I'm leave am.
When we come back, we go dey come, dey go.
We are going to face it next. Don't worry.
They won't talk.